Good morning, my name is Chris, ranger with the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. Come down to Freshwater East today to do a butterfly transect and a bee walk, so monitoring butterflies and bees. Basically I've heard a few birds as well today which are quite interesting. So we've got the loud one in the background, that's a really obvious bird called the chiff-chaff. So cool because it goes chiff-chaff, chiff-chaff. So that bird's come back from Africa and it's now breeding around the reed beds at Freshwater East. This is a bird singing on its territory. And another bird which looks really similar to the chiff-chaff is a willow warbler. Easily told apart by its call, but harder when you see the birds. But the call is a kind of a descending fluty call, which we'll hopefully hear in a minute.